Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Basit Abdo, and today I'm giving you the introduction about the bearing. This is the O-level topic, and in which I will give you the brief introduction about what is the bearing and how we have to solve the problems in the bearing. So bearing is actually the topic where we have to find the angle in these kind of the topics here. Okay, so first of all we are going to start the bearing. So it has mainly three rules. Okay, so first rule is it always start from the north, and second rule is it always moves in clockwise direction, and third is it is written as in 3-digit form. So I'm going to explain these rules one by one. See what we have to do now in this first rule. So this is place for second and this is for the third. So it always start from the north. It means that so whenever we have to solve the problems, let's suppose we have the 4 quadrants here. Okay, so this is north, south and east and west. So wherever we have to find the angle, we have to start from the north here. Okay, the second point is it always move in clockwise direction. It always move in clockwise direction. So what I did here, I made the north here. So second is it moves in clockwise direction. We know that this is the clockwise direction. So we will always find the angle in the bearing by moving these into the clockwise direction. So the third is it always written in 3-digit form. So let's suppose our answer is 39. So according to third point, we have to write the answer into 3-digit form. Means we have to write in 039, right? So these are the basic rules of the bearing. Okay, so we have given this problem here. The first problem is find the bearing of the following: A from origin, B from origin and C from origin. Okay, so let's solve these problems here. So from here, so what we have to do now, it's mean that we have to find the angle from origin to A. So we have to remember these wording. So we know that this is the origin and this is the north here. I already mentioned the 3 rules that the bearing is always start from the north, and second one is moves in clockwise direction. So we have to find the bearing from A from origin, mean O from A. So what we have to do now, so it start from the north and moves in till A here. So it has already given 26, angle is 26 degrees. So the answer would be 26. But the third point was that it always written into the 3-digit form. Okay, so the second, so we have to find the bearing of O from B. So it's mean that so we have to start from the north here and till B here. So till B here. So we know that each quadrant equals to 90. Right, so this is also 90, this is 90, this is 90 and this is 90 here. So total equals to 360 here. So we know that from here to here it is 90. Okay, so from this point to this point, so what we have to do now, we have to solve the second part. So we have to move from north till B here. We already know that in the first quadrant the angle is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree, but we have given 60 here. So it's mean that so total is 90 minus 60, that is 30. So it's mean that from here to here this shaded part is only 30 degree. So we know that this is 90 plus 30. So its answer would be 90 degree plus 60 degree. It would be 150 degree here. So this is the answer for the second part. So for the third part, we have to do the bearing from O from C. So the origin we have to start from the north and moves in clockwise direction. See, this is the first quadrant, this is the second and this is the third, and we have to stop till this point is C here. So we know that this is first quadrant 90, this is 180, this is 270, and we have to find the angle till that point. We know that this is the 90, but we have already given the 40. So 90 minus 40, it would be 50 degree. So we know that this is the 50 here, and till here we have the 270. So the answer from O from C is, or C from O is 270 plus 50. So it would be 270 plus 50, it would be 0 here, and it would be 320. So the answer for this is 320. So this is for about the bearing. Thank you. Okay.